market was down again, heavy last night. Don't know if you'll see any lightning behind me, but yeah, market was down heavy, and I just wanted to get this video out real quick because I've just been at the gym, and your mind starts going because I've realized that when you're a trader, all it is forward planning. So all I'm thinking of is tonight, if we're down another 2% on the market and stocks are down another, some stocks will be down 10, 15, 20%. What's the game plan? And I kind of want to, I thought I'd put it out there so that maybe you're newer to trading. I'm 30 years in, and maybe you're wondering what people are doing, you know, because you go on X or YouTube and everyone's made like, you know, crazy. Can you hear that bird? Everyone's making crazy numbers, right? And there's crash everywhere, and you're kind of wondering. When you're at all-time highs of a stock or of an index, hopefully you're not all in. Because if you're all in on a drop, you've got nothing. And okay, maybe you're following like the trailing stop or like a hard stop, you like strategy. So now you're maybe at some point you're out of the market. So what next? That's not how I trade, but I know that's how a lot of people trade. They'll have a stop loss, and soon that'll be triggered, right? And you'll be tempted to move it. You'll be wondering what the game plan is. So if you're like Bitcoin, if you bought Bitcoin above 100,000 and you're relatively new, which I think a lot of crypto traders are, crypto is now under 80,000. I think it traded maybe 78,000, maybe 79. So you're seriously underwater, and you're probably wondering, like, what am I going to do? Well, it's real easy. If you're leveraged, you're significantly underwater, if not already out. If you're not leveraged and you've got cash on the side, if it was me, I'm getting ready with where I'm buying more. If you're leveraged, you're on damage limitation mode, because if you're leveraged in a way that if it drops to whatever price and you're at zero, you're out of the game. You won't be able to play again. So you're on damage limitation mode, where I wouldn't say you want to like bank a full loss, but at least reduce your size. So reduce your risk down a little. I know you're crystallizing or you're realizing a loss, but if you hit zero, you can't play again. So what I've done before, when I found myself, I've been there, don't worry, I've lost so much money. It's you know, it makes your eyes bleed. If you're over leveraged, you need to just reduce a bit of size. So just close out some so that you're not totally exposed if we go down another leg. If you're with cash on the side, you're looking for buying opportunities down here. When these people are liquidating, you're happy to buy it off them. You don't want to buy it all now, but at least contemplate where you want to be a buyer. So that's my position currently. I'm looking at stocks that have been oversold or just sold. There's no such thing as oversold, but stocks that have been, yeah, okay, let's go with oversold. Screw it. I'm looking to buy them now, and I'm looking around the market for stuff that I think now is value. Yesterday when the market opened, a few things opened up higher, and I was able to take profit on about 40 positions. Because then the market just went down all throughout the night, I sat and waited because I don't want to buy mid-session. I want to wait until near the close, and whatever that position is, whatever the market's in, the last hour to hour and a half, I was hitting, so I was selling at the open, and then I was buying back in within the last 90 minutes of the market. I was flat out buying. My main point I'm trying to get across is if you're really hurting now, if this is like, oh my God, I've lost so much money, that's cool. That's exactly what's meant to happen. And now you're meant to learn. Don't lose everything. And this is a learning experience. This is the best time in the market. When things are just going up, there's no learning. We all just think we're geniuses. When you want to be learning, what have I done wrong? What have I done right? And if you're looking around at what others are doing, I'm taking this opportunity to buy oversold stuff. And when the market pops, I'm taking the opportunity to ring the cash register. For me, trading is all about ringing the cash register. Every moment you get, ring the cash register. Because you got to, well, for me, I like the business concept of trading, where if you have a coffee shop, every time someone buys a coffee, you're ringing that cash register, even though it's a tiny amount. That's exactly how I approach trading. that trade has a profit and I can ring the cash register, get some free cash flow in. I do it every single time. No big wins, none of this, lottery plays. That's not a winning technique to trading. It's ringing the cash register and putting yourself in a position to make profit on the next move. So with this market dropping, I'm obviously a buyer. When the market's going up, I'm a seller. A lot of people are buyers when the market is going up. I'm always a seller. So my point is, use this time to really think about your trading approach and if it works, and to forward plan. If the market does this, what do I do? So if the market goes up, what do I do? If the market stays the same, what do I do? If the market goes down, what do I do? What's my risk of ruin? And you've got a game plan. I really think it comes down to having a game plan, knowing what you're going to do no matter what the market conditions, and not having a risk of ruin above zero. All right, I think that's it. I just wanted to drop this because the market's going to be open later. It's on my mind since I've woken up, how I'm going to respond today. So I'm already pre-planning, and come 10:30 tonight, I'll be at my desk ready to go, pumped up. Because last night was a long night. I've just had a refresh at the gym and ready to go again. All right, that's it.